Google Sheets doesn't let you share just one tab of a spreadsheet directly, but there's a simple workaround using the IMPORTRANGE formula. The idea is to pull the data from that one tab into a brand new spreadsheet, and then share that new file instead. Here, we're starting in a sheet called Sales Data, and the tab we want to share is named Sales Data. Open the File menu to begin creating the separate spreadsheet. Hover over New and choose Spreadsheet, which opens a blank spreadsheet in a new browser tab. This new file is where the single tab's data will live, completely separate from the rest of your original workbook. If you find this tip helpful, a quick like on the video really helps it reach more people. In cell A1, type the IMPORTRANGE formula, which takes two things: the source spreadsheet's URL and the tab and range you want to pull. For now, the formula uses placeholder text, so the next step is grabbing the real URL from the original sheet. Switch back to the original spreadsheet's browser tab. Select the full URL in the address bar and copy it. Head back to the new spreadsheet tab. Paste the copied URL into the first part of the formula, replacing the placeholder text. Now update the second part of the formula with the exact name of the tab you're sharing, followed by the range of columns to include. Here that becomes Sales Data with columns A through Z, but you'd use whatever your own tab is called. Press Enter to run the formula. Don't worry when a #ref error appears in the cell. That's expected the first time because the new sheet doesn't have permission to read the original yet. Hover over the cell and a pop-up appears with an Allow Access button. Click Allow Access to connect the two spreadsheets. The data from that one tab now flows into the new spreadsheet, and it stays in sync whenever the original changes. With the data in place, the last stage is sharing this new file so people only ever see this single tab. Click the Share button in the top right corner. If you're prompted to name the file first, you can hit Skip to continue without renaming it. In the sharing window, open the General Access drop-down, which starts out set to Restricted. Choose anyone with the link, so recipients can open it or keep it restricted, and add specific people if you'd rather control access. Click Copy Link to grab the shareable URL. Finish by clicking Done. That link now opens a spreadsheet showing only the tab you imported. Every other tab in the original file stays private. One thing to keep in mind, the imported data is read-only here, so viewers can see it, but edits still happen in your original sheet. And that's the whole trick. Import Trange into a fresh spreadsheet, allow access, then share that file's link. Thanks for spending a couple of minutes with this one. And if you'd like more quick spreadsheet fixes, subscribe so you don't miss them.